you know me. Yeah. It's EP. Yeah. Like airline. Yeah. Cause I'm flyer than the rest. Yes, flyer than the rest. Cause I'm flyer than the rest.
Oh. Welcome to the app to see what the fuss is about. E on his G shit, trying to plump in his house. Done clowning with these niggas, still crumping it out. See, I'm a lazy boy, I still leave him slump on the couch. Thursday night, garbage night, I'm still dumping it out. Fuck making it rain, yeah, I'm still bringing the drought. It's easy, nigga. They shoulda knew what I was about. And if they didn't, well, you could say you know now. So fuck with me. These niggas dumb, silly, the hood feel me. Back from my block, young nigga, this is my city. Youngie, get it in. Yeah, baby, I been gritty. Switching up my flows, bring it back to the late 60s. On my way to the top, what should I take with me? Visit from Barack, damn boy, this is a great city. New world order's almost here, so brace quickly. Never take an L unless I'm smoking that straight piffy, so get lost. They been soft, these fucked up, they been off. These fruit salad, these niggas gay, they been soft. The 4th Fantastic and FP, so flame on. #1 in the season, but now my flame gone.
King who? King me. Sitting on my throne, got so much legs open, like I'm staring at a cone. I'm going in, no need for introduction. Rhymes hit hard, leave the kid with a concussion. No group meeting, no time for discussion. Ain't no double, so you never catch me stunting. Your man clueless, so I call him button smashing. Rejoining the game, so I call it contracting. You think you're in my league, you got the referees laughing. Unsportsmanlike conduct, so you know I got a flag them. How you at the register and you still ain't bagging? No time for games, disappear. You know I got them frags, man.
Okay.
One last line, one last bar. Listen.
Listen.
I stay wavy from the burbs to Antarctica. You know I sail ships, name brand Nautica.
From chilling on Front Street to creeping on the back block. Gotta help the fam eat, so I work around the clock. But it ain't all sweet, these haters want me in the box. A left jab, a right hook, yeah, I gotta get it back. See, I'm something like a Glock, spitting like a y'all. Assalamu alaikum, but Allah cannot save y'all. Got a white man mentality, so niggas, I gotta slave y'all. I'm chopping down these little ass niggas that try to play talk. To the back of their head, I'm trying to play ball. Niggas think I'm falling off. Well, niggas, they just been fall. Balance on point. Everybody looking like it's easy running point. Taking jumpers from the 3, and these niggas know the joint. It's easy.
Listen, crazy boy go sit ready to do shit. The block where we cop Glocks ready to shoot shit. Rhymes on my mind, got the lock with the loot is. Likes for the sneaks, Timbos for the boot shit.
Yeah.
They say I'm shut, tell niggas to mute this. Talking out, hit 6, leaving them toothless. I ain't on my own, bitch, I'm on my group shit. My group sit, shoot 6, leaving them ruthless. And niggas know how the president do shit in the streets. D-fills on his suit shit, and I'm proving I'm moving to
hallucinating. The girl say I'm slick like lubrication. No time for wasting. Big money chasing. I'm hot, so my clothes disintegrating.
Ooh.
That's
it. The clothes disintegrating.
I go to school with no work. Presentation. I got a job. He just rap as my resignation. I'm blazing flames like napalm. Little niggas playing silly games like ping pong. I'm like a fucking bomb. Tatted on my arm. I don't disarm, don't be alarmed. Pussy on my dick won't do much harm. Rosary on my neck like some lucky charms. Money ass, pinky up pimping. 2 shots to your body and your legs. And if we be shooting them thing, it's weed that be missing. Shit we be hitting. Jumping down 40s, yes, sipping. Catch me in the bar, but you won't catch me tipping.
Nah, never.
I keep a solid nugget. This ain't finger food. I'm not tipping.
Flyer than the rest, cause I'm flyer than the rest, yes, flyer than the rest, cause I'm flyer than the rest, yes, flyer than the rest, cause I'm fly as can be, cause I'm fly as can be. They be popping in the clubs, bottles popping in the clubs, cause I'm rocking with them thugs, gotta show a nigga love. To these souls, never, I just put them like levers, they do it.